Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to import products to Odoo 16. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to stick to the end. So before we begin, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Now, importing products to Odoo could be quite handy if you are trying to list different type of products, and you can even use a CSV file generated to import products to Odoo. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to a browser of your choice, and here you need to simply type in here Odoo. And once you do that, you need to sign into an account. So simply head over to the very first link, as you can see in here, and once they do that, of course you will be directed toward this particular section, and from there you need to simply click on start now, enter your details and select the most appropriate options that are going to be suitable for you. So you can see we have different type of options going on in here. Now Odoo is basically a productivity optimized software where you can list different type of CRMs, and it is an all-in-one type of software that is going to be providing you a bunch of softwares together. So you can, if you are looking for shop floor, expenses, point of sale, IoT box, maybe inventory and front desk, everything is going to be. And now once you simply create your account, you will be able to receive an email address, as you can see in here, for the verification of your account. So click on the activate your database to simply activate it. So let's just quickly do that. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and you can see we can invite our colleagues. So I'm going to be skipping that for now, and let's just visit our store or a session that we just created. Alright, so here you will be able to see, if we head over to apps, we have various apps going on, and you can see we have sales, accounting, email marketing. Of course you want to add products, so you are going to be needing a commerce or e-commerce type of platform that you should be installing onto your account. So we have multiple of them going on in here, and you can see we have Internet of Things, appointments, and much more. So if you talk about sales, we have sales from quotations to invoices. We have CRM system, point of sale for shops and restaurants, subscriptions if you want to manage them, even rental and everything. So if we head over to marketing, you can see we have various options for marketing going on in here. So productivity, inventory. So let's just try doing something with inventory. So like for example, if I want to add products, first of all we are going to be installing a module, which is the very first step. So if I go back, you will be able to see we have various other settings as well. So in the settings you can see we have discard settings and various other options as well. Let's just go back, and in the dashboard you will be able to see an overall activity that you are basically doing on Odoo, of course. So if I go to, you can see like apps section, and from there we have services. So let's just say I want to add some field service or appointments, then I'm going to be most probably be adding this particular modules. But for now I think something related to products should be used, because we are going to be selling our products online. So I'm going to be clicking on this e-commerce and install now option, and I'm going to be installing this particular section. Once this module is added, you can see it is checking, so just give it a couple of moments and it will be installed. And you can see we have some other suggestions going on. We can download Odoo onto our device. They have a dedicated application as well for the better interactivity of the software, and that is going to be making it a lot easier actually. So it is currently being added. Now meanwhile it is added, what you can do is simply open an Excel or CSV file in your Excel format, and it is going to be making a huge difference. So you can say like we have basically a CSV file created. You can add, like for example, you can related fields, like for example product name. Then we might have a quantity and price, and everything basically should be added in here. So if I add my product name, let's say it's ABC, and we have a quantity of 50, price is going to be somewhere around 20 bucks, and you need to create a whole basically section or a CSV file out of it. Once you have that ready, importing products is going to be a lot easier. So let's just say you have a big list going on and you want to import it. Simply save it as a CSV file, click on save as, and you can see you have this option of save. Select your destination wherever you would like to save it, and you can see you have formats in here, and choose the CSV. So that is going to be the most preferred format for this particular demonstration. So let's just close this, and you can see our commerce store is online, and let's just add our information in here. Let's just say it is related to clothes, and get leads. We can choose a color palette and build my website. So let's just quickly go through that, and you can see it is setting up theme and everything. So let's just go with this particular theme, and now our store is being generated. So you see the process is quite simple, and it is just analyzing and building the store. Right now we have our CSV file ready, the e-commerce platform is about to set up, and we will be easily able to import products to Odoo 16. So basically at this point you should have a quite decent amount of idea how you are going to be proceeding with this. Let's just wait for a couple of seconds again. Meanwhile it is loading, you can work on your file related to your CSV. Alright, so you can see our store is now set up, and we have our shop in here with various products. So you can see the product is currently there is no product added. You can click on new, you can click on product and add product in here, and once your information is added, like for example we have this particular product called, let's just call it mouse or anything like that. Add in an image if I can find any. Let's just go through my image of a mouse, and then we have barcode number, sales price. This is set it to 50 or 5,000 rupees, and we have a tax and unpublished. So let's just save it, and apparently it should be visible. Alright, there you go. And literally that's how easily you are able to add your products on Odoo, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned for more. Since we are regularly uploading this type of videos, make sure you stay tuned with us, and see you guys around in the next video.